Yes,
Yeah, I'm watching here.
Yeah,
See,
nice, nice.
what's a calm and peace, quiet
Yes.
here, very peaceful. Do you have any word? Can you give me? Do you have quarter, bro?
Oh, yeah. You give me $1.
Hey, ma'am, do you have quarter? Can I get? Uh, yeah, I'm waiting for some quarter. Do you have quarter? You have 1 quarter. So sweet, baby. How do I act with you? Sometimes strange, but this is the original style. Because human beings should always smile, positive laugh, to be happy. Otherwise, we will die soon. So we have to enjoy. Huh?
And the night in a good mood.
Oh yeah, good note, good mood. See, they are my children. So may Allah bless all of you. Good luck. See you inshallah. Hey, what's man? Man, do you have quarter?
No,
No, man.
I don't quarter.
Hey, don't have you quarter?
I have a credit card.
Oh man, can I borrow 1 quarter?
Oh no, I have.
Nah. See,
Next time I
I'm.
will come. Then I think.
Then will you donate? Oh, somebody watching you. See who is there. Hey, who is there, man?
निकल रहे यहाँ से.
Look at there. He's talking some stranger language. So someone watching there. Someone sleeping, laying down. Man, okay.
अंदर.
Okay, bye, Mr. John. See? Oh, open it. Unlock, man. Buddy, unlock. Kit. Knock, knock. Mm. See? Now I'm sitting here. Mr. Doctor did not give me quarter. What can I do? I see. Okay, bye. See you soon, inshallah.